Hi everyone, we are the travelling couple WL. We're gonna hit the road and travel the coral coast of WA. Exmouth will be the furthest we'll travel to. We will also stop by Kalbarri, Carnarvon, Monkey Mia and Geraldton. Kalbarri is about 570 kilometers from Perth. It's an easy 6 to 6.5 hour drive. We made a pit stop in Dongra to get some pies. Have you tried them? Let me know in the comments below. 45 minutes before Kalbarri is Pink Lake. This is the lookout area where you can park and get close to the lake. We stayed at the Kalbarri Edge Resort. Basic amenities are provided like coffee, tea, sugar, and a few crockery. Wi-Fi is included, but sometimes the connection was very poor. You also get shampoo, conditioner, and soap provided as well. You can play chess or have a swim at the pool. They also have a laundry room which has coin-operated washing machines and dryers. The visitor centre is a good place to get some information on Kalbarri. You can pick up a map of Kalbarri and book tours here as well. Across the road from the visitor centre is a barbecue area and a playground. Across the playground, there's a memorial park. There are a few shops and restaurants around. Not all shops and restaurants were open when we were here. Some of the restaurants do require bookings. There are 2 taverns which you can just walk in to dine in. This IGA is the only supermarket in town with a petrol station attached. 16 kilometers south of Kalbarri are the coastal cliffs. I highly recommend the coastal cliffs of Kalbarri. To see the natural bridge and island rock is a very easy walk from the car park. The paths are wheelchair friendly too. You get an amazing view during sunset. If you're lucky, you might be able to spot some whales during the whale migration season. Rainbow Valley is a Class 4 trail. Be on the lookout for wildlife. Mushroom Rock is also a Class 4 trail. The first few hundred meters is an easy walk. In some areas, the paths are not clearly marked. If you do get a little bit lost, look for the white markers. This part of the trail can be a little bit tricky, so please be careful. This is the furthest we went, as it was getting dark. Day 2, we're heading to the National Park. The roads in the National Park are all sealed. If you're going to be going to a few national parks, I recommend that you buy a park pass. We purchased ours from the RIC website. If you are an RIC member, you get a 50% discount. It gives us unlimited entry into all WA fee-paying national parks for up to 4 weeks. Our first trail will be Nature's Window. The path is paved for most of the way. It's about a 30 to 45 minute return walk. You'll be rewarded with a breathtaking view. From here, you can do the loop trail, which will take 3 to 5 hours. Kalbarri Skywalk is a new installation and only opened in June this year. If you're scared of heights, I suggest you don't look down. There are 2 skywalks, and this is the second one. Inside the cafe, there's a little bit of history on the building of the skywalk. At the cafe, you can purchase food and drinks. This chocolate chip muffin was so good, you won't regret ordering it. The next trail is Sea Bend and the River Walk Trail. To the left is the lookout point. We didn't do the river trail. You might spot some wildflowers during wildflower season. Our next stop is Hawks Head. It's an easy walk from the car park. Can you spot the Hawks Head? This next trail will take us down to the river. If you're here in the warmer months, you can have a swim or take a dip. Time to head back to town to feed our tummies. If you're better prepared than us, you can pack a lunch and spend the whole day at the national park. Day 3, we had a storm coming, so we couldn't do much. Lucky for us, the footy was on. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you know when my next video is going to be out. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up.